Ti abrante ba akukura ka say ni onkoje card. Onye card we NDC preko. Tende di asem na CPP for beka.
I say na MPP for so ye bia from President Kofo and almost so mo boy so mo gu CPP. Started so mo to CPP. Sebi
so we inclusivity
na inclusivity na kwenta enkoye MPP ni ye do ababesi
na MPP ni kura betima akoje mo ye wa say CPP ala na akoje appointment na what in CV ko na nya no
oh how quick or this statement ba say
misemo me nkwaji even though kura ba free mo no misemo mama ye me diabro ni
mo ba CPP ne APC ne ayi wa uni akuma Kofi Akpalu Liberal Party of Ghana no mo sa na de say parties akese na MPP ni NDC wini power no mo approach o mo so ma branch yi if you say nim de obetima boy wa ha o magi appointment o mo kra de be wona ti ko ze ke ko ya now de yi friend say tight 10% bi abana ye de aboa party na support party adwuma ejom de o mo na be obeye nana ya ye adwuma se enye me nwanwa na nyame nwanwa se nana ya ebegesa appointment we as presidential staff asene akotawa wo ken say the latter part no ko radio so ne communication na wo ye o ko represent CPP de but do hwan komo no ba bia wo chia ko wo chim ko no a na wo ni tua say o gina kiri ye na se wonko tena yi wo so no na chi da wo kwa ko gina kiri ye na se ena o ho no so
so you see
the relationship
for you is being rewarded.
Yes, akunta the relationship with John Mahama so mampeli John Mahama so no key so who and I presidential staff
those times cry now mampeli John Mahama or I know what
PURC
na phone no tokwa that's who defend the appoint no
dia PURC fo a yese mo na munyina mo maye ye beto light bill ne water bill mu a esusu na de bia na ya de oni aban ya adwene se ye to light bill mu wanka bia maye da
awon for the ko papa
wanka bia maye da da bi oni aban ya adwene ai na mo mpe light bill tua na mo mpe water bill tua na ya
so soft spot bi ma o pay your mama
na no one personal relationship with papa no any ade abrabo ne nyina ka wakota presidential staff ade omo na ebe your right hand people so omo na ne obetina wo Jubilee House o akota fie no so
nyuma bebre o he show omo nsa mo ma ye
awo a obeji wo mo upegya wo nsa o so ohu ne o pa kire o bo wani a o so ohu ne o pa kire so ntina so wahwe a Joyce Muntari special aid to the president oni papa na nantia
ne papa na pese obefri ne ho
mo ne wofa ni mpon
na ko pese okọ foreign affairs we are told that papa ne say there be
edu ba bi credit say na ko pe transport ministry
that's right
and papa ne said there be osa call for foreign affairs papa ne said there be so hu office me wofa ase no me kwatena fie kura
appointment in any budget there
akota so som akota wo ye special aid to the president
enya kam kitwa o
akota me special aid de mawa me do di betutu onwombo
na say me special aid wa I unofficial
na akota na me di udi
na me di udi tutu
sa akota say sika ketinkiti wo won fa nya hwe ti me no meti di atu ye
abrante ejuma didi mi fia mo
hedi you sika ketinkiti bi wo no a akota
ya sika ketinkiti de kabomo
na bia no ketwa de am en fa hwe jire na de
na 1500 de ketwa
na bi na akota fa nya hwe
me fa
ne ba de ya bro so di we akota Joyce Muntari special aid to the president.
That's how
you president.
Oh wait. And I also special aid no almost no so. But Standogbe has also been rewarded.
That's it.
He's the deputy chief of staff. Wakoya to say Asensomone Jinapomo those times.
Yes. Akota, what do you hear Papa Julius?
What if said Ronaldo second term the deputy chief of staff Obia Grand Kai.
He ain't Kai boys, you know. But we nim Asenso more of any nim Abujina
Pomo.
But sir, two boys be or do mo replace.
Oh, yeah, from say.
Me kra me nkai omudimpu. Me ncheda nkai wo mo sa. Akotadi nyina so sutwa besi say dibre na ye de ma wo no.
Na fa cho bebrola te de no Sahelian wan na che say.
Akota say Sahel state yi omo na jakunta ombem boaye wo yiri ni ade ne ho ahwan
fo.
Akota yes. And I won say ya na Mampeni na do crash or no so the former security person be Sana.
Nana oye bampo.
Nana oye liter.
Hey!
Wanwa.
Uko friend later obetmesi wo.
Unakota.
Your friend Nana oye bampo.
Se enama mi busa se eye onwa.
Ayenti your friend Nana oye bampo ado.
Nti na liter no mom ye hu no mo.
Acho wodi ni kura chan. Sisi a wo yi ni den fini so. Wo be kai se Hana.
Hana BCU.
Hana tete.
Hana tete.
Na your friend no is here Hana. No the Hana Podo.
Ah yes.
Hana Podo.
Podo yes.
And our in Guye. Na me koye mami interview. Let's go to the lines and let me speak to Mrs. Hana Tete. Gentlemen. I don't know me fam who be your radio so. My name is Hana Tete Poda.
No,
Hana Tete.
Yes.
Hana Tete Poda also.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying you couldn't do Poda.
Yeah.
My name is not Hana Tete, but my name is Hana Tete. Address me as such one. Why am so, madam? Madam Bachon Kafrao.
What the about that of the Berman who will about you?
Hey! And I'm sick of Frantina, Miss Rome say. Your friend Nana Oye Bampo Ado.
Okay.
Father Papa Ding back. So lawyer Nick Kunini. Ono na isia oye dey Deputy Chief of Staff.
Sir.
In charge of administration. Ena Standogo be Deputy Chief of Staff. Operations
there. Oh, akoto obeyam na broso. Obeyam. Ye nyina na akote ye tena fie ha se ya na ye bona baso. Na no inauguration na ye wo Independence Square Mampeni John Dramani Mama. Akonta hwe setup. She how wo musi organize ade no etoto niema. Ni nyina ye abranche no na nsa no adwuma. En akonta ebase ye nye setup nom ne sa niema no for every occasion. Standugui stand tall and akota branche no so asom papa mahama wo wasom ne pa
papa omone ma me ni nyina
wasom one ne yire no kra ma edu baby kra so hwe ya wezo tv omokokote yesei Standugui na ne ye in charge
ono na ahwa be si
hwe omo picture quality ne
ene omo mama live feed virtually all the time monani
Mo and papa no kotena fie nyina one no stand any no the besine
by best stand the stand of old
sisi akota wanyini
pajo team the stand of old bia ya elevate no
edru no
omampenjo mama time no a presidential staffer
now communication so
now is the Deputy Chief of Staff of Ghana.
This is a big man.
It's the stand of old. Yes, stand up be fu wabu camera.
Ajo camera.
Waje recorder wabu no
microphone.
Wakasa anyhow wakire presenter, wakasa kire journalist. Accident be a see a baby wo obi here the comments near this time around stand should know say baby awako do sisi ano a big elevation. He's been elevated to a certain pedestal. He cannot be the boys he was. Yes, you stand there. He's a man of no nonsense. No? He seizes henceforth. And yes, sir, what the near why ye papa no
oh yeah.
Because he's now an agent provocateur of Omanhene John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
He's an agent, not an agent or any boy. Now he is a statesman working for Ghana.
Yeah.
On behalf of the president, but on behalf of this nation. His name is Stanislav Dogwe.
Deputy Chief of
Staff.
In charge of operations.
In charge of operations at the Jubilee House. Na juma nya juma ketwa.
Nya juma ketwa konta.
Ti won hwe na kasa ni niye bi ameye a blot on the presidency.
Akota na just say ono so no he will be working hand in hand with COP Kofi Boakye meboa.
COP Kofi Boakye is director in charge of security operations. Or a director security operations. Ewo eho ena security operations no Omanhene security any in niema bekosos ena intels drawing the president's attention to something on the metro eti Omanhene security what Jubilee House say oko baby Kofi Boakye na be say ekwan ni mu ye onko what you say aha untumi fa ha
okay
Eti Kofi Boakye is the director in charge of security operations at the Jubilee House at Presidency.
Okay.
Soldier ni bia, police ni bia shenase. The National Security Advisor, the role nko. Ono betu omampani jo mama fo. Ewo security na so on ni ade on upon advice. Ebia yenya security situation like Obuasi.
Okay.
Security advisor no betu no fo. Ana the one coordinator no. Ono no ebe same finfin or coordinate police, military, immigration, customs, prisons. Now no so the information no.
Okay.
Ama various normal acting no a brief for man penny to brief for man penny we are national security advisor any man penny so afa adwene national security coordinator say this is the situation my advisor what do you think
okay
and you go people watch there security on man penny jomama ne bambo ewo Jubilee ene ne bambo Ghana ha no e se go people watch
njine je se ono no de no so ka nkawe akwa te se Openi a Captain Koda di ni biana.
Very good, something like that.
Okay.
It's Jubilee House soldier ni or police ni or mu nyina she Kofi Boakye.
Okay.
Car ebetuo, omampani ko baby. How they arrange the car. Say we ebetu ha or so do her by this time. Police for advanced team on a detail or monko no. On the budget yen calculate.
No dey dey say Yensese na obi ekure me bu yanka nje ni so
me obi mu akonta so to ka se ohia x amount
na kota enu aba Shamima Muslim so no yamana mu se akoja ise adwuma egua na politicians omugu no na no yete wo saa na ombefa akojo ponkroma de ne koye na ombetu kwamsefa kan so koye ne board bi ene kure kosi sei eno so ekoye eno mututumu a sandogo kura so ye nsemtwereni eno mutu no koye ena omututumu ayi your friends say man ya no kasama kuku bodo be kasama na po ewo fifi boafo omunyina se morning show na no omoye ene yetutu o man tin semtwadwuma no politicians no maye ade omuso omugu no maye eye omuntu aso adwuma de eya ne sa
Elizabeth of so jare Kobet ne oni Ahmed Ibrahim Senra na ye
local government yes Haruna
Drisu
Eriko Poku wow classmate governance Kwame Agboja
enra pa me yasa mentiment Eric na makodi baby
but no de me ase me hu se Eriko Poku ene Haruna Drisu agota omo veti ne ko yes ase agota we dey adafo komodie
o man so ba governance dey on say
no ase
governance no
omo hu ni so tibi katakata na ni mafia MPP fo nti omo
governance obi a
ombe chede pa
o ya hardline NDC tutu ena MPP fo no bi fi say ase owo otan bi ma MPP
yes
governance Agboja is seen as a hardline to say chairman ahiafo
yes omo say
they have to even break.
Yes, and no break it 2 is a 3 in between
yes, because Afanyo marking so I take a hard line too much.
You bet my yarn. Sentina, I am for a kind say, I don't expect you guys to stage a workout. We almost stage a workout. Yeah, numbers na one. You bet my vet and not pass or more abra yamo.
And when they get to the plenary, they say they don't need you.
Eti akota de ayi afenyo mark na ye no ebi aya ye tia bonte ne be fa ne se bia o ha adwene but the attention a minority no ebenya no akota de omu ye no ano no say ase edu ba bia ye be fa ayi force me to play nonsense tactics bi so hu na ye de age ayi na ade ne yeso si ye ga say anya sa
I see chairman so edu ba bia ne kasa wo soro do ase ebufuo o de ebufuo kasa oh say various committee chairperson ye hu omo no omo kasa
eno obojo say usu
ye hu omo don bebre
your friend say daily guide
abezi
James Afeji
chairman samonom ne ade no you could see a cohesion
Freddie Blay eso so be bi
I say it do maybe what I say and I say it do maybe na afenyo market. Chairman, please let your voice come down. Let your voice come down, Finukra.
Bakota Ade Baako so amahu afa papa no ho so ye say oye a man of few words. Benada hiafo no.
Upushi na ne bufu.
So what shall I onye obi a mo kan say
oye oratic
bebre I say
also good man
type na
brofo
no de bewura ha buke va ko twaro na about akọ sa na unse
obi a ne brofo ye few no wo ye ya na wadwo
mo ahiafo no ye man of few words ya na some ni straight honorable members according to the standing orders 1 2 3 4 the nominee is seated what
so be a cover rattler sana
odu baby crowd na
somebody like ato forcing or kasa aron adrisu no you say people hono ma oman asua kasa the public speaking but ahiafo is not like that and obi anu ahiafo so taking that position
yes
to see our wanya elevation wakodru baby to say first deputy speaker enti afunimu enti o he kill the kakra bia no adwa
but akota after the first batch of nominees no vetting no ene enra me hu an improvement kakra in him me hope say bia enne so bia wo mo koi there will be an improvement in kakra in Abia and the public.
They will get along.
Oh yes.
They will get about a fenyo so edru mebia. On say untonable because yeah, my attention about too much.
Or attention ni bebre.
Yeah, too much. Breaking you're suspending you come back now. And I say NDC boys no so. Dafia makomo no ene ayarega no majority leader no won twema o ayarega no hu se one no ye contemporary and almost or a majority and I am minority. You will not have your way. You can't come and bully us when we have the numbers. See, they also want to show him say, hey, Master, shut up over there.
And Nikau,
I said to with you.
On my
FPP,
honorable here for the meaning say he's more protective of the nominees.
Too much.
And what I've observed in the past is Yana and Pimpi no more club question chairperson.
I want to be pusa question.
Grab head of this.
And on also when you pusa question on officer.
So unyai wom no and vetting on my no matter the question that you let give us the public for that matter
the opportunity.
You these aspirants we go on paper on their CV they are excellent. But the questions will even go home to make them be seen more. Because 2016, Alancha Martin, you're vetted on a month for PU. What you have learned, or probably in year for Alancha 20 before 2016.
You got to know more.
Vetted, no, my say, probably the Alancha Martin, he couldn't dazzle at doing the vetting. If you soon saw dazzle. And tell them about my me who say, where you this set of nominees, no, or members of parliament. What I say, the moment non-parliamentarians now means never convert to one. I want to be fireworks because some of these appointees, no, or money actually for be 12 years, be 16 years. So the telepathy for that matter, cordiality in a young fan or you know, Kobo be no one year MP. Our one in chain to bomb to Etia buying MPP are buying no position be said in a qua. That's where they're going to introduce the arsenals, attacks now, or they are buying during the opposition period. Because I say, now after you bisa having a question before ownership of a cantonment residence. Be bisa say, and the hearing now also so what we have said beside but do you own a residence?
Residence
in the trees, or to hen or sort of cantonment.
No, I didn't care about finance. To be signed about phone or say, and do you also have was it do you hire or you own? Not say I own. What is very good. All because of the alleged suspicion say politicians be a Japade man. And then one of the bed tree. Now we our first question. 1, 2, 3 happen Papa or die. So me did say where the young way and I am for should prepare himself for more of these arsenals. When probably new non-parliamentarians get the note. Because my point na almost be omunyina parliamentarians. Omunya ever to but ebeko be say the be 15 or maybe 11 more na obenya beka ho na omoye substantive ministers na nkasa beba ho. Ehwo no na wo opposition sansam na mo ayampia na bia obikeka ye toto ayampia sansam no ombe ha se dibusa question yi because enra honorable opoku die bia na efa agrek sika no mo say MPP ndis na power nkomoto koko at this high price see omudo omusu kono ma head and go further. What I say because omun say omun colleagues and mama part 2 is too extremely lenient.
The mama part
too extremely lenient. Obisa maybe baby questions. And yeah ni ayetie no ye so bet my adwuma no. But we want to be
we want them to be probed.
You say office no because here now perception say here now we need education background. But questions or they be mind say the man has learned on the job. Answers no say he has learned so soon because Omaye will say NDC promise or the man Ghana for say free tuition first 1 year and it will cost around 340 something or 50 something.
And we'll see
what I say. And no. And then there were other questions before. When we say question there, it must be obeyed for the president himself. Or no mean kasa, enko ya no nko gufu whatever. So me there on my I'm not expecting anything. Maybe next week or two, our man penye be shase. Eyi omo nye MPs na kasa akọ parliament. What happen?
Okay. Now let's see Professor H. Kwasi Prempeh, chairman. Justice Sophia Dinyina. Professor Kwam Kakari. Charlotte Osei, Mrs. Dr. Godwin Jokoto, Ibrahim Tanko Hamidu, Dr. Esi Ansa, Dr. Rena Akumbaregaya, Secretary. Committee no, Constitutional Review Committee. What I said before Mampeniba, we can set it up.
Yes.
Their mandate is to review 2010 and 2023 Constitutional Review Consultative Committee. Omo share the loopholes and the gaps from the normal famra. Now, Omo in the next 5 months, Omo reported to Omanhene John Dramani Mahama. Now on shame. Now on to me conclude to say committee no reporting into amendment say. And also the become Rashebi Jeffie. No match me a share baby constitution not touch man. Bear in mind is promised to do something about Article 71 holders on ex gratia, any other issues. Now, people are also bashing the president to sign the LGBTQ now. Almost say, the Catholic bishop, and you no promise Ghana for. Now, the bill has moved from the stages of second reading, whatever reading. And to the almost see and say, Omanhene John Mama should walk the talk. And I heard Idris to say, he's so repugnant with, it's against his practice and culture. Also, so any day as an education minister. And the Bimo Kase, curricula, nomne, and Korana this Siano as a BB, ever batter home be no or never. Not under. On only watch and Obesho Shesani Manuswama Kobase, or education minister na he's a Muslim. Etinyadi Obeso
religion a cassette Sani Manuntinya Fin Obeso Sumpun and Pesia classroom say curriculums at the end.
Yes,
and I contact Menino a yajene. Menene yajene Buru, so I could tell Gigi Semine when Yaka wants me. The more I did whom come on.
That's so
Sabi Abadam for no more or money at the wound, see the whom commodity Tinu Quine said, and me I could Anyam one said those questions were coming from Afenyo. Because Obekaya, Emrasa, human rights and then they Bill Nomade Kotom Nasibi Fimono. He was, if she were not say, Minkane say, Kukum no Makuma Momufi Sen Cardino, Yantu Yabu, and you can see a Jitum say, and the Sanya Man Mayan. That time on the Lydia Diana the Baya Bedru. This point to me, I never say all the questions were coming from Honorable Afenyo because or a lawyer or a human rights lawyer and Sanya
human rights lawyer.
And
the bottom line is to say, Sisiano. Omanhene Yaw mama signing this bill as quick as people expect it. I can tell Ghanaians say Emma in terms of Yaw. Bill net down. Intertwined with international politics and aid and grants and loans. Fair. Omanhene Yaw mama ne Millennium Development Authority aiding come for 190 million on ECG me.
Yes.
As I'm aware. We are no free ha. The international community obey Omanhene fufro. Omo hwe nanim. The 3 year Donald Trump on so ankwasiasem so. Enti eno ntimi meye basis say American president say one say am informal.
Akotako so nya de obema yehu Donald Trump nsem okeka na nra no. Ye de che so mpianim kura hwe blacks no. Wo me yehu enti so say one say o it has nothing to do with America ni Donald Trump. Zakwa no wonti ye kura.
It's the civil society organizations. Ofa money mo. Are they going to put pressure on the president? Is Pentecost going to put pressure on the president? Catholic bishop were part.
Yes.
And I know a small kind, they just a Catholic bishop or move on your mother. Because say on your GD say a ba gay in a Ukraine, I was say a year government sponsored. It has nothing to do with government. Baby a bill na kodrono. It needs the appendage of what? The president. Period. Ghana for to me come back so mukodin komo bio. The Supreme Court ruled. Say Parliament did nothing wrong. It unless Omanhene Yaw mama shemre nim kase. Wahunu ABC. Now I refer to Council of State. Not Council of State among recommendation. No attach it to go back to Parliament say Omonsan Shemrano page 81111. Apart from that, Ghanaians are waiting for a signature.
Page 8 Sakutani nyadi nyani ase mrai ese ba bi wo kra fie wura wa wo fie ne yewde no a wo di fie ne be ma obi a
ama ba yetumu
nakota fragas ya wati we fanboy na se me sim fie ne so ba behind bia young man no ba behind be dan de o ye wo dem ho no mo de oba nakota se give no se ntro mo ma so say
that is why there's something called suspicion.
If you were Mr.
Suspect no.
There is something called suspicion.
Baby, I'm a son. Mema nkwan who say akwai.
I'm sure that could cry. Wow,
who say wow mu kwan or the baby also man.
Baby, o ma to ama.
Akuta me if you run am tim baby no.
What to be?
So no one na oba no we run them.
Akuta wanya ni turumu na wodi ase no na obeti ya dem.
They make it
1 minute.
They make it Omanhene Mahama. We need any excuse not to sign. And you can't be my sympathy vote back on your LGBT whatever. And you shouldn't try say you're 4 years ahead of time to be delayed. You should. And then maybe our EP the Ghana for has said say most of the campaign promises you has said one of them was said for and you reduced fare and which you have said the committee.
No, I said to cry more one holiday account.
And you have said all these so these are and these all fall under religion. And you know this
you don't leave one religion and deal with other.
Of course. And I saw here in 10 term now when you had that public acclamation on your one we go Donald Trump now who can one support to say yeah gays and some you moon to go China for money so are you Europe no no
Russia Abia.
What so what you have that international backing. Finally the American found that committee now backing that will come back constitutional review. Once there's a conventional review, opportunity award the committee level na Ghana for ebenya input, and ya did carry input in that. And a committee no man penny set here so. Supposedly, you say Papa Professor no when you be so aligned to the NDC, and the opportunity I might say, "Oh, team di and my papa be a rule my now community because my winning a Parliament to I want the NDC for those who definitely you may not have any further say apart from what they will say and and this committee we are set your mom. Yes, Rom, Omunya Juba, so near Momano. Na, and your mayaka.
I work constitutional MY.
I'm not forced to say in film, Mumma in film by end of this year. No, because now the regional reorganization by 1.5 years. No, yeah, we some of these now more on my
Ricardo, good morning and welcome. Now, I want to say,
Miyama Conta Fredia.
Yeah, yeah.
Makonta Fredia.
Nana
Fredia yi Mrs.
Yase.
Mede akota sem de makonta
no.
Yeti kase.
In-law.
Ase ne modu in-law. Our brother-in-law by Yase.
Akota se de oni asante ebo mo na mokoji awade me me de me koji akota se kanti. Me de.
Okay, Nana Fredia.
Akosia
Akosia Somwa.
Yes.